Have you ever struggled to understand why some brands make it seem almost as if they plan their email content way ahead of time? Well, I've worked with over 12 plus brands ranging from 6 to 8 figures per year, and this is exactly what we did. So by the end of this video, you'll learn the exact prompt to give AI to spit out email content ideas in seconds. Okay, so in this video specifically, we are going to be using ChatGPT to help us come up with these campaign ideas on the fly. Now, I do have a free prompt for you guys to use down in the comments below. And I'm going to actually copy and paste this into my browser. Now, before we go deeper into the video, if you are a brand doing over $50,000 per month and want a free email audit to help find where you might be specifically leaking revenue, book a free strategy call using the first link in the description. Now back to the video. So this is very, very formulated into what you need to make campaigns that aren't revolved around sales. And if you look at the actual prompt here, you can see that it actually goes into very, very big detail. So every email should have a clear angle, be strategically valuable to a customer at some point in their buying journey. Use creative, non-discount ideas, things like educational, product deep dives, FAQ, social proof, UGC, storytelling, case studies, tips, whatever. All of this you can see. And then for each campaign, tell me the name campaign, what day it should go out on, the core name or idea, subject line, hook, body, or copy. Write the ideas, assuming that they will be a designed image-based email layout in Figma. The campaign calendar should follow the same strategy top brands use to generate 7, 8 figures a year from email. Think like that. Be strategic campaigns. And then at the very bottom, here's where it is key. If you can give it as much information as possible, this is where we're going to really, really do good. So for this, I'm going to be using a brand called BioLite. So I'm going to pause this and we will see what this generates for us. Alrighty, and so here is what it should look like inside for you guys specifically. And so so we are Drink BioLite, and we sell family owned for a purpose. Originally inspired by our founder's wife, Battle to Stay. Whether your customers need effective hydration, illness boost, BioLite's the perfect solution. BioLite is beneficial to those. Full of vitamins, minerals, natural sugars, get their body back in balance. And then at the end, I added, if you need more information, please ask. Otherwise, go ahead and create the calendar. And we are going to hit enter and see what it comes up with. Alrighty, and so here's what it came up with. It looks like it did mess up. So I'm going to just give it this here. So now format this table with labels as week 1 to week 4. Make the columns be week number, topic, summary, and then your subject line ideas. And so we are going to see what this gives us here. And boom, it looks like it is doing exactly what I asked it to do. And this is really, really good so far. Week 1 all the way through week 4, it has designed us an email campaign calendar, just like I said. So the topic of week 1, mission and mindshare. So the story that started it all, how BioLite works, everyday heroes. So show everyday users, nurses, parents, workers, stay fueled with BioLite for the ones who don't get to slow down. 3 signs you're dehydrated, ingredient deep dive, how our doctor formulated, testimonials, when to drink BioLite, really good. Beat the slump challenge. So 7 days, drink 1 a day community challenge. That could be really good as well. The hydration stacking routine. So what you can do to stack hydration and tips on how top performers incorporate into their daily routine. Really, really good. Family hydration guide, free downloadable. Family hydration checklist, behind the bottle, so behind the scenes at production, ingredients, and team, community spotlight, nurses, essential workers, or community impact stories. And so as you can see here, we have a wide variety of email campaign ideas that we can send out for 30 days straight. And so you would just do the same thing, and you can also give it the month. So we can do that as well. So we can say, let's also tailor this calendar to November of 2025. Please do some research on fun days we can incorporate into our brand. Okay, and let's see exactly what it's going to do here. So might change it up a little bit. Pretty much the same thing. So November is National Family Caregivers Month, so we can probably do some sort of like email around that itself. Thanksgiving, November 27th, as a lean, meaningful touch rather than a big discount push. So let's see what they gave us on the 27th. Yep. So behind the bottle, behind the scenes, I really like that. They tailored it to Thanksgiving. So really, really good here. What else did it give us here? Challenge November 21st. Okay, retention. Really, the only thing that it is giving us is Thanksgiving as well. We do have Black Friday, but I did not ask it to tailor to Black Friday, so it probably will not do it. And so this is exactly how you would come up with ideas for your brand on the fly like this using AI. Now, if you are a brand doing over $50,000 per month, I will increase your email revenue by 20% in 45 days, or you get your money back. With our complete email revenue system, you'll get 8 custom email flows, weekly campaigns, and a strategy tailored to your brand, all designed to increase your email revenue by 20% in 45 days. So if you want to see exactly how that will work, you can book a free audit call down below to see if we can actually do this for you. And at the very least, you'll walk away with a free audit and some tips that you can implement right away. So don't be afraid to book a call down below, and I will see you on there. Peace.